So there you have it, a custom white oak countertop. The build is for my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. They're renovating their bathroom. The center is going to be cut out for the sink. So really it's the four corners and the edges that you're going to see. They're in the middle of remodeling their bathroom, and so they're going to cut the hole there on site. I'm sure you noticed I had a guest in the shop while doing this project. That was my brother-in-law who filmed and edited this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next thing I'm building.